Welcome to Hotel Cozy Oasis. Dito po ito at isang dito. Hanapin natin kung saan ang kain. Maganda rin siya. Pero hindi natin alam kung magkano ang price. Wala yung price. Ay, naka. So, ito po yung kanilang reception. And dinner here. So, we're going down to the lower ground. The escalator. They have a lobby here. Here we are. The Platter. Welcome to the Platter. So, sa baba. This one. Welcome. Asan na kaya sila?